So Hempstead Town Hall has long been a hub here in America's largest township to many, many visitors, not only who come here for town board meetings, but for many of other activities to visit our clerk's office and to get other services from our town. So over the past few months, Hempstead town employees have been reporting that they've been finding needles and syringes and related paraphernalia in our bathroom trash receptacles. So let me be clear, one needle in a trash receptacle is too many for us in the town of Hempstead. Ensuring public safety of our visitors and our workforce is of paramount concern. So in response to these complaints, I've instructed that we install 30 needle disposal or sharps boxes throughout every bathroom in Town Hall in order to allow people to safely discard needles, syringes, and lancets that might otherwise pierce a trash bag and poke one of our workers. Upon completion of the installation of these boxes, we are also going to examine whether we push forward and install more of these boxes at strategic locations throughout the town of Hempstead, particularly at some of our highly trafficked parks and other recreation areas, to ensure continued public safety and the security of all those who want to enjoy the town's facilities.
The biggest risks that people are concerned about when it comes to needle sticks are bloodborne pathogens, as well as the risk of just infection at the needle site, as well as tetanus. So we feel that obviously installing these sharps disposal containers in the different public areas is going to be a great public health initiative to reduce that risk to the population.
The opioid crisis affects all of us, our families, our friends, our communities, and for those that are suffering with an opioid disorder, there is treatment that is available and recovery is possible.
When the General Services Department reached out to us, they were very concerned, and we got message from the supervisor about the needles. We made sure that we partnered with General Services so that we would have the proper receptacles for the needles. A couple things that are important for you to know about how this works is when the needles are put into this, they cannot be pulled back out. So this is kind of like a mail slot. So if someone just places a needle on this, it'll go like that on its own. The needle will go inside the box. You cannot reach in there to take the needle back out because of the way that's designed, and once the box is full, then it will close like this and prevent anyone from going inside or any more needles from going into the box. Once it says full like that, then a call will be placed to our EMS division, and we will send out one of our highly trained EMTs that is skilled in making sure to take the steps they need, and they'll make sure to properly secure and dispose of the box and the sharp so no one is hurt, and then they'll also make sure that we replace that box so then there's a new box available for more sharps to be put into it.
In the clerk's office, there is an amazing traffic of people that come in every single day. We have a passport department, a marriage department, licensing. Sometimes we see hundreds and hundreds in a day. We have we have a men's room and a women's room there. And, I know that this has been an issue, so I think that this is a great thing that Supervisor Gillen is doing for our town. As elected officials, as in local government, the most important thing that we can do is provide for the safety of our residents.
This is really the focus here is about keeping visitors and keeping our workforce safe here in Town Hall, and making sure that people who come here, there could be diabetics who come here who have to take an insulin shot, who just need a safe place to dispose of what a product that they are lawfully using, and we're giving them that opportunity to do that without putting our workforce or other guests at risk.